Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best digital meat thermometers for cooking on Amazon. Give it a like and stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend as the best. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. The 3rd position goes to Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital is an essential tool for anyone who wants consistent cooking results and greater food safety. Instead of relying on guesswork, this instant read thermometer delivers highly accurate temperature readings in just a few seconds, helping you achieve the perfect doneness for meat, poultry, fish, and more. Its large backlit display makes temperatures easy to read in any lighting conditions, while the waterproof design allows for quick and convenient cleaning after use. Suitable for grilling, baking, frying, smoking, and candy making, this versatile thermometer adapts to a wide range of cooking tasks. With its fast response time, reliable accuracy, and user-friendly features, it is a smart investment for both beginners and experienced home cooks. Number 2 is ThermoMonster 0.5 seconds Instant Read Meat Thermometer Digital. The ThermoMonster 0.5 seconds Instant Read Meat Thermometer Digital is a valuable addition to any kitchen because it helps ensure perfectly cooked food while improving safety and consistency. Thanks to its advanced thermocouple sensor, it delivers highly accurate temperature readings in just 0.5 seconds, reducing the need for guesswork when grilling, roasting, baking, or smoking. The large auto-rotating LCD display makes readings easy to view from any angle, while the waterproof construction allows for quick and hassle-free cleaning. Its long probe and temperature lock function help keep your hands away from heat, making cooking more convenient and safer. With motion sensing technology, fast performance, and professional-level precision, this thermometer offers excellent value for both everyday cooks and barbecue enthusiasts. And the first position goes to TempPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer for Cooking. The TempPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer for Cooking is an excellent tool for achieving accurate cooking results and improving food safety. Its fast, instant read technology provides precise temperature measurements within seconds, helping you avoid undercooked or overcooked meals. The thermometer features a large auto-rotating display, making it easy to read whether you are left or right-handed. Its waterproof construction allows for simple cleaning and increased durability, while the lock function lets you hold temperature readings for added convenience. Suitable for grilling, roasting, baking, smoking, and frying, this versatile thermometer supports a wide variety of cooking tasks. Combining speed, accuracy, and user-friendly design, the TP19H is a practical investment for anyone looking to cook with greater confidence and consistency. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 digital meat thermometers for cooking that you could buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description and the first comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.